actually a little nervous doing this, but I'm ready. I need a change. I've been on a natural hair journey and I was blonde and red and brown and every color under the sun for so many years, and I officially have been like itching for a change. But I've come too far. My hair looks so healthy. I want to keep the natural vibes going. So to give myself that change I've been like yearning for, I'm going to be giving myself the Wednesday bangs, okay? We're not doing the pigtails because like, I don't think that's a thing anymore, but I'm going to do the bangs and I'm going to create the most beautiful texture in my hair. I actually have some inspo for this look. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the vibe that we're after today, okay? I saw this like scroll up on my feed and I was like, that's the look I want to go for. So I even love the texture that is in this hair. So we're going to be creating this texture as well. Love them or hate them, like their hairdresser knows what's up, okay? So we're going to be collaborating with the Dyson today, and this is their very anticipated, very much all the time sold out, Vinca Blue Dyson Corrale. And if you buy this from DysonCanada.ca, you're going to be getting all these extra gifts inside. And guys, this is so pretty. It has like the rose gold like touches to it. It is so nice. So we have like their wide tooth comb and their paddle brush. And guys, I have so many of these paddle brushes and it's the only paddle brush I use. It has like this nice cushion and like it doesn't hurt the kids when I brush their hair out, and it's like big enough to tackle my hair quickly. I freaking love this thing. This is a staple. The wide tooth comb, also like super versatile. And then we have this heat safe travel bag and it matches the Corrale. It's the beautiful blue and rose gold. And you can also use this to like set your flat iron on in between if you like. What? So freaking nice. Oh, the smell of a new Dyson Corrale, guys. Let me add it. Oh my god. So beautiful. There we have it, guys. So if you like having kind of the storage, you can leave it stored in this box. I have like a display, which I'll show you guys a little later on. Did they change the stand? They changed the stand. Pretty. Okay, so it's like a lot lighter and it's a lot more compact, this new stand vibes. Okay. All right, so we got this beautiful box. We got the carry-on bag that doubles as kind of like a heat mat. And then we have our beautiful Dyson Corrale. And then we have our paddle brush. And then we also have our wide tooth comb over here. Okay, guys, this makes such a nice Christmas gift. If you got me this for Christmas, you love it. All right, so I just plugged it in and we are gonna go ahead and just put this to charge. All of these are magnetic, okay? So you just snap it on, and then this stand as well just kind of snaps into place, okay? Let that charge while we do our thing. I'm nervous, I'm excited, I'm ready to go. We're actually doing our Christmas pictures today, so we are gonna have some festive vibes. Okay, so just gonna part that down the center. Normally, I would just go ahead and like cut these bangs, call it a day, move on with my life. But I know a lot of you guys watching are not hairdressers, so I'm gonna show you guys a bang hack using tape. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen it before, but it is like the best way to cut your bangs if you are like not savvy with the scissors or like kind of nervous. And the rule of thumb with this is to kind of balance the comb on the top of your head, and wherever it lays flat, that's called your apex. It's the top of your head, okay? That's where we're gonna start our bangs. So normally when I do like a fringe like that, I would kind of take the corners of this up to the arches of my eyebrow right there, right? The Wednesday bangs are a little bit wider, okay? So we're actually gonna go to the end of our eyebrow right there, okay? Because we want this to be a little bit wider. Really take your time and make sure everything is nice and even, okay? And clip the sides. If you cut your hair with uneven texture, you're gonna get an uneven line. So in order to get a straight line, you need to have smooth hair. So we're gonna do this on low heat, okay? The reason you don't wanna go too high with this is because we're gonna be styling our hair after, and you don't wanna cement this in on high heat. Also with the Dyson Corrale, honestly, the lowest temperature is still more effective than using any other flat iron. The blades are flexible and it corrals and it hugs your hair. So you just need one pass, and that's all we need. We just needed it to be nice and smooth. Oh my God, do you guys see that? That's my little friend Steve. Was suffering from alopecia earlier this year, and that is my bald patch growing out, so we're gonna pretend he's not there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back on charge while we do our thing with our bangs. And we're gonna grab some tape. That's kind of all we need. And you're gonna gather it and pinch it in the center like so. And then we're gonna grab some tape, and you're gonna go ahead, place the tape all the way kind of around. You're not holding it straight out. You're not holding it straight down. You're going to be in between those two. I've never had like a full bang before, so I'm a little nervous, but good thing I'm a hairdresser. It'll be all right. So you're going to go ahead and do the cut. Okay, she's done. So when I take the tape off, it's going to look longer than it's supposed to, but that's because when we style it, it's going to be at the right length. Look at that gorgeous angle. That is what we wanted. And all you do is kind of just go in vertically and give it a little snip. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and style these, especially Steve over here because he is hella misbehaving. So it goes to 165 degrees, 185, or 210. Okay, when I do the rest of my hair, we'll crank it up. If you have any broken pieces like this, guys, the best way to do that is to just tuck it in with everything else. If you style that individually, it's gonna keep sticking up. I'm going to force Steve in here and hope that he behaves. I'm just going to give it a nice, gentle curl in, and so cute. See how it's coming along? Looks so good. We're going to like open it up and shake it out once we're done. The way I kind of organize my hair when I'm styling it is once everything is styled, it goes behind my shoulders. And any sections I'm working on, they're in front of my shoulders, okay? So that I can see it clearly. Okay, so just brush out this section. And all of these accessories that you guys are getting with the Dyson Corrale, they're valued at $170. And you're getting them free with the same price that you would regularly pay for your Dyson Corrale. So I think it's a really good deal. Any pieces around your face are always gonna be curled away from your face. Kind of run it through the roots a couple times. You can even give it a quick pass on the whole section just to heat the section up if your hair is super coarse. And then you're just going to flip it all the way around and run it down. So these are copper plates and they're flexible. So you guys can see we just need the one pass. And then as soon as we get to the end, we're just going to run it down straight. Okay, nice and pretty. And then the next section we're going to do towards our face. You can get 30 to 45 minutes cord free with these, okay? And in between passes, I like to put it back on the dock. Look how nice. Such a vibe. I can't wait till you guys see it when I shake it out. And then the Dyson Corrale also has intelligent heat control. So basically it measures the temperature 100 times a second. So the temperature you set it at is the temperature it's going to stay at. It's not going to fluctuate. That's why we can just be nice and fast and kind of consistent with our look. Also in hair school, they like wouldn't let you call them bangs. They would make you call them fringes. And I remember I had this teacher, she would be like, banging is for the bedroom. Totally lost the habit of saying fringe, and I just say bang all the time. All right, we are done. I'm going to set this back on the dock to kind of charge up its juices. And we're gonna do the fun part now. We're gonna shake this sucker out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. There we go. That's better. I'm just gonna like get some shine serum in here just to create a more kind of polished finish, even though we don't want the polished look. All right, so you guys know the drill. I'm gonna leave the link for the new Dyson Corrale in this beautiful blue and rose gold down below if you guys wanna check it out. And as always, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, show some love in the comments, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.